So today I got a special package from What Ways. And it's their Vapor Therma Tech Define Waistband. It'll retail for $115, but I got it, I think it was the day after New Year's, so it was $105, but it retails for $115, and it claims, and I got it in size 4X. I don't know if this is my right size. I had a waistband from them before, and I was a 3X, but your girl has gained some weight here. Yes, the tummy. Your girl has gained some weight, so I got a 4X. Hopefully that fits me. It says this double removable strap waistband uses our signature Thermatech technology to heat the body up and increase the amount of water waste you lose, all while keeping you feeling cool and dry. Wear the band on its own under your clothes. You need some extra support, or to use the 2 compression straps to get the sexy hourglass shape. It is latex and cotton. It's Thermatech lining, which means inside that it has like some, it looks like aluminum foil, but it isn't aluminum foil. I don't think it is aluminum foil. It's 2 removable Velcro compression straps. It's a zipper, fastening, sweat, wicking, and back support. So I have their other band, which is a thermal tech as well. It's just not a waist trainer. It's more of it's just a sweatband. It's sweatband. So if you go on the website and you see a sweatband, Vapor Tech sweatband is the same material inside as this Vapor sweatband inside. So both of them have the same inside sweatband, and I really love that. When you work out, you feel it. So when you feel the sweat, you don't feel the sweat, you feel it when you take it off and whatnot. But it's very insulated, and you notice that you're burning some calories. Just hopefully the size fits me. So I'm gonna unbox it and hopefully it fits me. So this is what it came in. What Ways, I have it backwards. So What Ways, and this is in my first time purchasing from What Ways. This is my 3rd type of sweatband product from them. The first one I had is like a waist trainer, and I got it in 3X, but I can't fit that right now. I'm gonna squeeze myself back into it, but if this works out good, I'm gonna keep using their Vapor sweatband and just get a smaller size if I do lose some inches. But it came in this, and this is super cute. Super cute, and it says What Ways Vapor, $115, but right now they have free shipping. Came in this. It has this, and this is hand wash, air dry. This is to tell you how to care for it. Hopefully this 4X fits me. Hopefully it's not too big, because if it's too big, I'm gonna have to return it. But hopefully it's not. Open it like this. And as you can see, it's insulated. That's the insulation I was talking about. I'm gonna lift my tummy up. This 4X is a little snug too. Hopefully I can put this on the. It's a little snug. This gut, I'm trying to get this gut in here. Whew, that was a workout. So I guess that, I know that this 4X works. So your girl has gained some weight. I need to shed these pounds so I can fit back into my 3X, but I'm gonna take some scissors and cut this off. You're my size, which I am 108 currently. Hopefully I shed some more pounds because I've been working out. And so I purchased this so I can sweat more and ultimately shed some more inches. But if you're 5'2" like I am, around 108 or 110, 105, you probably will need this 4XL. Like, it goes all the way down here too. That's the only thing. My midsection is a little short, but other than that, I don't think it's gonna be like I don't think it's gonna bother me. I'll let y'all know if this becomes a problem, and you can move around in it. And I like that you can detach it too. You can detach it and put it back and place it wherever you want, but I'm gonna place it here. I'm just so freaking excited because it actually fits. I'm gonna get my panties, not my panties, my biker shorts, and I'm gonna tuck this and place this on top. And again, this is a 4XL and I love it. I love the fit of it. It's not too tight. It fits perfectly. My boobs are sticking up high. But I definitely can move in it. I love it. And it's back support, so it's good for my back. It's supporting my back. I'm gonna zoom down. Let me show you. Again, this is a 4XL and hopefully I will be able to fit into a 3XL sooner or later. But I'm not rushing this. I want to shed some pounds the right way, and I know this installation is gonna help me. So this is day 1 of my waist training with this Vapor Tech by What Waist, and I will give y'all an update in some upcoming weeks, let y'all know how I feel. I might come back and show y'all the sweat that it produced when I'm done with my exercise, because I do a 2-mile walk. If you haven't already done so, check out my other videos. It's gonna be at the top. And definitely like, comment, subscribe, and give me a heart, because your girl is on this weight loss journey. And now I got my waist trainer. It's gonna snatch some of these love handles, I believe so. It's gonna get me right. And so yes, I'm excited. I wasn't sponsored by What Waist, but I purchased it from What Waist. Again, it's the Vapor Tech Wet Waist Trainer. Tongue tie. A new line of waist trainers, and I got mine. And again, it's in 4XL. I'm 5'2". So all right, y'all. Peace, love, and happiness, and thank y'all for watching. All right, y'all.